The York County Jail is under fire for what officials may have failed to do to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Good evening, I'm Pat Callahan.
And I'm Samantha York in for Cindy Williams. York County officials are launching an investigation into the outbreak there, which is linked to a corrections officer who attended the wedding in the Millinocket area, which sparked well over 100 cases across the state and 2 deaths. News Center Maine's Zach Blanchard is there with the very latest from the jail. Hi, Zach.
Hi, Pat and Sam. Now 72 total cases linked to the jail here alone. And now we're learning masks were not required to be worn here and possibly even discouraged, allowing the virus to spread through the facility and even to homes. York County Jail under investigation over what officials did and did not do to protect inmates and staff from COVID-19.
It was pretty awful.
Lacey Bailey's husband works there.
He was one of the first that week.
Now she has the virus too.
There could have been more. You know, the guidance could have been followed.
York County Manager Greg Zinser says they are working to support everyone impacted.
I think collectively we all understand the severity of the situation.
While masks and face coverings are required by the county, Zinser would not confirm if the rule was enforced for inmates or staff at the jail.
If in this case the county's required practices were not followed, we will find out how and why that occurred and deal with it.
Here's what Sheriff Bill King said just 2 weeks ago.
It was mandatory while we were in the office. At corrections offices, we had masks always available, and in booking, typically they would don the mask, or it was highly suggested that they don the mask.
Since then, a total of at least 72 positive cases have been tied to the jail, 8 more inmates in the last 24 hours, and it's even spread to another section.
It appears that up until the time that the first case was identified, wearing of face masks or face coverings was not what it should have been.
For Bailey, COVID-19 has really hit home. Now she's just focused on making sure the virus doesn't spread to her children, including her 4-year-old son with asthma.
That I don't want my child to get sick from anything.
Now, phase 3 of universal testing is still underway here. County officials hope to pick an independent entity to conduct this investigation within the next couple of days. Live in Alfred tonight, I'm Zach Blanchard, News Center, Maine.